Does God exist? It's a question that has echoed through time, across cultures, and within each of us. Some see evidence in the intricate design of the universe, the beauty of nature, or the complexity of life. Others find God in the love we share, the moral compass guiding us, or the inexplicable moments of grace. Yet for many, doubt remains, a space where faith and reason wrestle. Whether we look outward to the stars or inward to our souls, the search for God is a deeply personal journey, one that continues to shape who we are. Follow or subscribe for more such content.